Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about a question that I get quite a bit lately. And also, I got a comment on this. Somebody was concerned about it, and that is interest rates. How can you invest in real estate when interest rates are so high? And they are really high right now. The thing is that it's something to be careful and cautious about, but it's not something that should keep you away from investing in real estate. I'm going to give you three things here that you need to know about investing in real estate when interest rates are high. So the first thing is when interest rates go up, the prices of properties will come down. It's starting to happen already. It's kind of slow, but it is happening. It'll pick up speed after a while. It'll get a little momentum and the prices will start dropping a little faster. And we'll start seeing some really good deals here in the next couple of months. Now, the second thing is there's always a lag time between the time that interest rates go up and the time that property prices come down. And that's what we're experiencing right now. We're in that lag time. So what's happening right now in commercial real estate is loans are coming due on these properties and they have to be renewed. But a lot of them are getting turned down because interest rates going up causes those properties to no longer cash flow. So that means they're not going to be able to refinance their property, and they're likely going to have to sell it. But they're not quite ready. They're not desperate enough yet to lower the price, but they're going to get that way. And so we'll start seeing some really good deals coming up because of the higher interest rates. Now, you can always later on go back and refinance that property when the rates come down again. So this lag time is just something we have to wait through. You have to be patient. In a couple of months, it's going to pick up some momentum and the prices will start dropping a little quicker. They just aren't quite desperate enough yet, but they will be. Now, the third thing is you're going to start seeing more creative deals in real estate. This is going to happen in residential and commercial. Of course, we talk mostly about commercial real estate on this channel, but it will happen in both areas of real estate. And if you keep your eyes open, you're going to find some good deals and some very good creative financing deals on these properties. We're going to start seeing some foreclosures, some bank-owned properties, and we'll start seeing some people that just absolutely have to get out of that property because they don't have the cash to put into it. They can't get it refinanced, and they're going to have to do something to get rid of it. So stick with it. Don't give up. Good deals are coming. Just have to be patient. Just don't buy an overpriced property with a high interest rate. That's what you want to avoid. You need to wait for the prices to come down a little bit. When they start coming down, then start looking for deals. Well, and the more we get into this, the more these prices will come down. They're overpriced right now. Everything is overpriced. So don't get stuck buying an overpriced property with high interest rates. It just doesn't work out in the end. That's it for this time on Real Estate Revenue. So if you got some value from this video, I hope you subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps out my channel. And I'll see you next time on Real Estate Revenue.